Are you doing the same design tasks over and over again? Ever feel like there must be a smarter way to speed things up? Have you even heard of Illustrator scripts, or what they can do? If not, you're in the right place. Running a script is actually easier than applying a filter in Photoshop. And the best part? You don't need to learn coding at all. In the first part of this video, I'll show you how to turn frustration into flow by using simple scripts to solve a repetitive, time-consuming task. If this already looks helpful, go ahead and like the video and subscribe to my channel. Drop a comment below. What kind of design workflow do you wish could be automated next? If you're wondering what's the mechanism behind the one-click magic, Illustrator scripts are actually built using JavaScript. In the second part of this video, I'll briefly show you how different parts of the code connect to the UI, functions, and conditions, so you can understand how it all works together to make your tasks easier. Don't worry, this is not a coding course. Just a quick peek behind the scenes to appreciate what's really happening when you click that button. In this module, I'll show you how I turned everyday frustrations into scripting opportunities, all in just a few simple steps. If your work involves repeating the same tasks daily, think about how those routines can be automated with Adobe Illustrator scripts. Now, let me give you a quick walkthrough of how an Illustrator script is structured. Just a reminder, this isn't a coding course. The if condition ensures that certain criteria are met before proceeding. The user interface defines how the script appears and interacts within Adobe Illustrator. Functions are assigned to buttons so actions can be triggered with a click. Helper functions retrieve properties of the selected items and perform checks, for example, whether all selected items are the same size. Main functions carry out the core tasks on those selected items. Finally, an alert message confirms completion of the script. Now, let us see how you can turn a 2-minute task into something you can do in just a few clicks using a free Illustrator script. Remember to subscribe, like, and turn on notifications if you want more free Illustrator scripts. Now, let me show you how you can add spacing between the rectangles and change the number of columns using the same script. If you find this script useful, you can download it for free using the link below. More scripts will be featured in the upcoming modules. In the next module, you'll get a free tool to organize and run your Illustrator scripts using my favorite script runner, along with a one-click tool for object arrangement that makes actions like align, group, and bring to front incredibly fast. See you there.